Hey, stop clicking away. You need Windows. I know Windows, 20 years. This is Dimitris from Greece. Let me tell you why you shouldn't pay more than you should. So I'm sure you had some other consultants letting you know, but nobody explains you why. And then they play that vicious haggle game of calling back the office, try to drop a price with no justification, only to have you sign today. When I'm not gonna do that to you, I'm gonna be clear. Transparency. I'm gonna show you the cost of the window. I'm gonna show you the cost of your permit. I'm gonna show you why you're hiring me. And don't just take it just from me. Here's one of our customers.
Thank you, Dimitri, for a window.
Whoopa!